Use the Shop Talk discount code to save 8% when purchasing all of those great tools at TrueTechTools.com. TrueTechTools.com is offering some cool deals now. I figured I'd show you guys those deals. And remember, you can use our Shop Talk discount code here to save 8% on many of the items in the store. The first deal is a Testo promotional deal. Purchase and complete redemption form to claim your free gift. So don't forget to fill out the form. It's a free Testo manometer via mail-in rebate, which is kind of like an old school way to do it. But hey, if that's what they want to do, that's what they want to do. And you can see that there are several devices that apply. The next gen Testo 300, let's see, Testo 310. And I think that's one that, especially if you don't have an analyzer, it's a really good one to have. There's one version with a printer here, and then there's one version without the printer. So the Testo 310, I think, is a wonderful idea because it gets you into that combustion analysis ballpark without putting you back quite as much money. Now, because of inflation, this thing is a little bit more expensive than it used to be. It used to be around $600. Looks like it's $737 now, but at least it's part of a promotion. And if you want to get the printer, you can for just a little bit more. TrueTech Tools also does a monthly giveaway. If we look back here, we can see they gave away an articulating inspection camera. Well, it's nice. HIC Micro Pocket 2 compact thermal imaging camera. TrueTech Tools also gave away AccuTools True Blue hoses and filled piece vacuum pumps, looks like. This month, you could win a NAVAC Deluxe Mini Split Toolkit. All you have to do is enter. Let's see what it's like to enter here. We just click on the link. TrueTech Tools monthly giveaway. It's pretty much all the information you need. And you have your name, email address, and phone, and that's it. So pretty easy to enter. It's really low effort there, and you might win something very nice that would cost you a ton of money otherwise, so you might as well do it.